Diane in Denmark here, rah, 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 and welcome back. This is day 3 of our new New Year reset for 2026, day 3 of A Better Life. Now, by now we've already got a couple of quick wins. We've cleared off a surface in day 1. Yesterday we were putting away some items in day 2. And I want you just to take a moment and realise what you've done there. You showed up, you watched the videos and you worked with me. And today's prompt is another simple, practical task. And you know here, I'm giving you tasks. You don't need to spend a whole afternoon doing it. We're just spending a few minutes here and now. We're not putting it off for later. We're doing it right now. So for today's tiny task, I want you to clean something that has been annoying you every time that you see it. And when I wasn't so organized in the past. I've learned, I've changed my ways. And in the past, it was really helpful to me to have somebody saying exactly what to do. And that's what I'm giving you here. I want to give you a wee few ideas for today. So for example, that area that you might want to clean, maybe when you're getting ready in the morning, you see toothpaste splashes on the bathroom counter, or maybe when you're cooking dinner in the evening, you see lots of crumbs on the kitchen counter, or want to clean the kitchen table, or maybe it's your dresser chest, in your bedroom looks a bit dusty. Just, dust that off, clean the kitchen table, just one small thing. We're not trying to tackle the whole room. We're just doing one small thing that's going to make you feel better. And when you've done it, I want you to how does that feel? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel better? That's my wish for you. And you're very welcome to leave a comment, say what you cleaned or where you worked. But I don't want to put any pressure on you. You don't need to like, subscribe, all the things about the video. I just want you to check in with me each day here at the kitchen table. It's just you and me. And together we're just making life a little bit better. So anyway, I'm going to let you go on with your task. Stop the video, go and do your tiny task for today. And I'll send you off on your merry way with the rah, rah, rah.